Whether you're looking for uniformity or something decorative, transferring dry goods from grocery packaging to airtight containers is not only a great way to organize the kitchen, but also helps ward off unwanted pests while maintaining the freshness of the product. There are numerous options for cheap airtight food storage containers, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable airtight food storage containers from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best Overall Rubbermaid Food Storage Containers. When organizing your pantry is the end goal, a variety of container sizes and compatibility are vital. The Rubbermaid Brilliance containers, available individually or as a set, offer a stackable line with airtight lids that latch in place, and each has a slight rim that keeps the containers secure when stacked. We particularly appreciated the line's sturdy plastic construction, which is also odor and stain resistant, meaning storing something more potent won't come back to haunt you weeks later. We even tested the container with a potent onion and tomato mixture and found that it remained clean and without a smell. Whether you use them for flour, snacks, or cereal, scooping and pouring are easy, thanks to the design. These Rubbermaid Brilliance containers are even safe to store in the freezer. Another feature we appreciate: the small lip helps you open the lid more easily when sealed. It contributes to the clean, attractive design of the container. This dishwasher-safe line comes in 9 sizes with 3 interchangeable lids, but sets often need to be augmented with additional specialized containers to complete a pantry. Number 2. Best Small Set OXO Good Grips 8-Piece Pop Container Baking Set. In the realm of kitchen utensils, OXO has a reputation for quality, affordable products. It's a go-to brand for peelers, can openers, turkey basters, and so much more. OXO recently redesigned its beloved pop containers to improve upon the seal and stackability with a new button design that ensures an airtight closure when pushed. To test this, we filled the container halfway with water and shook it over a sink. It initially leaked a little when first turned over, but ceased pretty quickly, so the seal is quite tight. We appreciated the neat counter-worthy look of this set and all the container's sizes and multiple uses. They also reported that there was no staining from the tomatoes or onions. The set comes with convenient accessories, like scoops that attach to the underside of the lids. Say goodbye to digging through your canister for a measuring cup or having cumbersome parts to disassemble and clean by hand, since each cleans up well if placed in the top rack of a dishwasher. The lids also do not need to be taken apart to properly sanitize, another major bonus. These containers also have handy fill lines for measurement and are made from sturdy BPA-free plastic. The set includes 5 containers in varying sizes, 5 matching lids, 2 scoops, and a brown sugar saver. The only thing to be careful of when pouring cereal or snacks into a bowl is to do so slowly to avoid major spills, since the top needs to be completely taken off an individual container to get what's inside out. Number 3. Best for Flour Progressive ProKeeper 4-Quart Flour Container. Flour is one of those dry goods that benefit from a dedicated storage container. In addition to keeping out the bugs, the right vessel will make scooping and leveling easier. ProKeeper incorporates practical accessories, like the detachable leveler on this model, which helps make measurements exact and mess-free. Adding to its functionality are the cup measure marks on the side of the container, so you always know whether you have enough for a recipe or need to head to the grocery store. There's much to love about the ProKeeper container, including its capacity. It comfortably stores up to 5 pounds of flour, and the easy open lid is airtight. If you are a baker with many different types of flour in your pantry, you will appreciate the stackable design from a space-saving perspective. We particularly appreciated that the container continued to open and close as expected after regular use. However, it is important to ensure the notch fully clicks into place when closing, because that is a clear indication the lid is completely sealed and secure. To make sure it was airtight, we filled the container halfway with water and shook it. Not a single drop escaped. A variety of dry measuring cups will fit inside this container without difficulty, and there is an included lever that can be inserted just below the top of the container to level off scoops before removing from the container. This product is safe to store in the freezer, and it is dishwasher safe, too. Number 4. Best for Cereal PrepWorks by Progressive Large Cereal Keeper. Product-specific design wins again with Progressive's 4.5-quart cereal dispenser. It has a spout for easy pouring and holds a family-size box of cereal. The container is made of food-safe, BPA-free plastic and boasts an airtight silicone seal to ensure freshness. 2. Like other Progressive products, this one is designed for vertical storage to optimize space in your pantry, and it is dishwasher safe. We found that the container was very easy to fill thanks to the wide opening. We were able to fit a dry measuring cup inside without difficulty. The top has an uber-tight seal, though, so we recommend washing by hand periodically to properly clean between the grooves of the lid. The rest of the container can be regularly sanitized in the dishwasher. If you have varying palates at home, these containers are slim enough to stock a couple of different types of cereal comfortably, and the design makes spill-free pouring a cinch. We also conducted a test storing an onion and tomato mixture in this container and found that there were no streaks on the plastic and detected only a faint aroma of onion. Design-wise, the comfort of having an ergonomic spot for the hands with this container is a win. We also appreciated that there were 2 different openings, one to fill the container and another to pour out the cereal. Number 5. Best for Spices Libbey Vibe Mini Glass Jars with Lids, set of 12. Spice drawers are notoriously disorganized unless one is perusing Instagram posts created by interior designers, but a well-stocked home cook can also pull off a pro decor look in the kitchen with these mini Libbey jars. The versatility of this set equally matches how aesthetically pleasing they'll look lined up in a pantry or on a shelf. Each spice jar features a wide mouth to accommodate various measuring spoons. They're food safe, and the lids are BPA-free, designed with optimal freshness in mind. 2. Food and Drug Administration. Bisphenol A, BPA use in food contact application. Spices can lose their potency when exposed to air, so having airtight storage at the ready is doubly important, and we loved how well these little jars sealed, especially since they are so easy to open, too. Whether grinding your own spices, buying in bulk, or purchasing from a grocer, these containers provide a chic, uniform, and tight seal for a plethora of herbs and seasonings. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.